One of the features that I like about InDesign is the color theme tool. Essentially, it allows me to pull the color themes or colors, a swatch of colors, from an image. Let me show you how. On the left-hand side in my toolbar, I'm going to go down and select the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool has three tools in it. Color theme tool is the first one that's there. It has little squares next to it telling you you're going to pull swatches. Now I want to pull a color theme from the background image here of the main harbor. And when I click on it, it will grab a variation of all the colors that are there. And I can choose whether it's going to be colorful, bright, dark, deep, or muted. And what I'd like to do now is actually send these colors to my swatches panel and create a group out of it. Once that group has been created, I can then apply different colors to the content within my document. So for here, I can choose the text and pull in the color that I want. So the color theme tool, powerful way to go in and select colors from an image to get consistent colors within your InDesign documents.